So it finally happened. Windows 10 has reached its end of life, with Microsoft pulling support for any future security updates. So what exactly does that mean to you? Does it mean you have to stop using Windows 10 or upgrade to a PC that does actually support Windows 11? Well, no, not at all. Firstly, this is just about security updates, so you can continue to use Windows 10 forever pretty much, though keep in mind any big vulnerabilities that will come up later down the line, they may not be fully patched for Windows 10. However, another thing to keep in mind is that they are actually kind of extending the support for security updates for Windows 10 thanks to the Extended Security Updates program, which basically means that Windows 10 will be getting another 12 months of security updates. Now, if you're fortunate enough to be living in the EU, it's going to be completely free of charge and with no strings attached. However, if you live outside of the EU, then it can cost you $30, or you can do it by simply backing up your PC with a Microsoft account, which you can do for free for up to 5 gigs. And you can simply set it up by going into your Windows Updates tab on your Windows 10 PC, and you should see a button to enroll into the Extended Security Updates program, so just simply click on that and it's going to guide you through the whole process. However, many companies don't want to really be dealing with this, or they just want to use this as an opportunity to finally upgrade their PCs to something a bit newer. I'm sure that all the IT departments are happy they finally have some budget to get some new computers. This also means that they're now offloading tons of old stuff that they are selling for dirt cheap, so you can get some pretty crazy deals out there if you go deal hunting. So if you manage to find anything real good, definitely do let me know down in the comments below. And while you're at it, maybe also check out our Patreon, because that is also always a fantastic deal. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Illa Ronyak, Polish Voka, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.